So much. Good morning once again. Mine will be just to welcome you in this city of Kigali. For those who have been coming here for the first time, you're welcome. Let me first thank the organizers of this conference. We are here to mainly discuss about the pediatric care, which always sometimes it falls under the target when we compare to the adult and other general population. So it is a pleasure for us to host this workshop as Rwanda making some good stride in controlling the epidemic. You probably get time to discuss about our progress, how we managed to make it, what are the strategies that we are using, but also how other African countries are collaborating mainly to curb this epidemic. So we again in another unfortunate situation where main African countries, but also the other global HIV response is under challenges. And I think this is also another opportunity for scientists, for researchers, for managers to again discuss about what could be the future of the response, but also how would be countries make other efficiencies and revise strategies to ensure that we sustain the gain, but also we lift again up this population that is usually underserved. So when you compare to the global response among the general population, you see that people will be at a good stage, more than 90%. But when you go up to the pediatric population, you see that we are falling below 80% in all cascade of care. So what are we doing? How do we optimize treatment? How do we ensure that we reduce stigma and make sure that the testing is at a higher rate of the coverage that we desire? So I think from people that I will be presenting here, people that have been elaborating some abstract, people that work around pediatric care to make sure that we optimize and we lift all the barriers, we'll probably share some strategies and we shall have to discuss in between, sharing the country experience, but also learn to the recent research that is outside to know and even to use more of what we have to make sure that this pediatric population is also served as the general population. So again, interest you to probably have time to the other conference, the general conference that is starting on Monday, to also participate. We shall be having some good insight to share around the global HIV response, but also specifically for what Rwanda is offering in terms of strategies, but also beyond the HIV care, the integration of services. I know there is some visit that will be undertaking around the facilities here in Kigali. So I will be interesting you to join the teams, but also explore more of what is Kigali is offering even beyond the agenda of your conference. So I welcome you in Kigali. For those who are coming for the first time, I know many of you have been coming several times because this has been seat of conferences and meetings. If you need anything that we can facilitate you, we are here to support. Our teams are around, but also feel free to even walk around during the night to explore the security, but also the hospitality of our population. So again, welcome, and I wish you a good deliberation of this 2 days workshop. Thank you.